Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are going to be touring the Sierra floor plan here in the Legato Community by Taylor Morrison. You're looking at 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 4-car garage, and over 4,000 square feet of living space, so stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. Hey, if you're brand new to my channel, I go around all the brand new construction communities. I tour their model homes as well as their move-in ready homes, and I dive further into different areas here in Arizona. So guys, do me a favor, if you like what you see, definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification button, and follow me in all these home tours and to stay up to date with all things real estate here in Arizona. Okay, so today we are here in Queen Creek in the Legado Community by Taylor Morrison, and we are going to be touring the Capstone Collection by Taylor Morrison. So here in the Legado Community, there is 4 collections. Today we are in the Capstone Collection, okay guys? There is 3 models, and we are going to be touring the Sierra model plan. Okay, again, it's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 4,300 square feet, and a 4-car garage. So I'm definitely excited to show you guys. Stay tuned to the end of this video, guys, because we will be talking about the HOA, the lot size, the average lot size, the lot premiums, and some other cool information that you may want to know. Okay, guys? So with that being said, let's get this home tour started. As soon as you walk into the Sierra plan, off to your right hand side, you have the media/game room, and then you have another full bath with another bedroom. Okay, guys. So as an upgrade goes, you could actually turn this whole side into a multi-gen suite, guys. So that's pretty awesome. What would happen is this media/game room would be converted into another living area. Okay, you would still have your bedroom with a walk-in closet and a primary bathroom. Okay, and then you can also have a separate entrance. So this side of the house will be turned into a multi-gen suite. So that's really cool. Okay guys, so we are here on one side of the house, okay, and this side of the house you have the flex room and also the fourth bedroom. Okay, on this side you can do an upgrade of a second primary bedroom. What that would do is it would turn this flex room into the primary bathroom. Okay, so you'll have a 5-piece primary bath. It'll have 2 double sinks, okay, a soaking tub, your stand-up walk-in shower, your 2 walk-in closets, and it will just turn this whole side into that second primary suite. Okay guys, so as you can see from the home tour, it was absolutely stunning. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys the 4-car garage. They have an office set up in there, but it is a 4-car garage, so it's really massive, guys. Very nice. Okay, so if you have a lot of toys, you know, your ATVs, bikes, boat, I don't know. So yeah, 4-car garage, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's talk about the HOA real quick. The HOA, guys, is $130 a month. So what does that cover? It covers your tot lot, so there's a playground, there are trails around the community, they have a nice lake with some seating area as well. They also have a pickleball court, so some sports courts there, and a lot of great areas here, common areas that $130 is covered. Okay guys, so that's just the HOA. Okay, so as far as the lot premiums, they are released and they vary between each lot. Okay, so right now they have 2 lots available. Lot 12, the lot premium there is $12,500. Lot 39 is $10,500. Okay, guys. So a corner lot, those 2 also are not corner lots. So I can tell you right now, based on experience, corner lots will have a higher lot premium. Okay. Well, which leads to, you know, the average lot size. So the average lot size here, guys, in the Capstone community, you are looking at about 16,000 square foot standard lot size. Okay, guys. So as you can see in the backyard, you know, you won't have all that landscaping done for you. So it will be, you know, just a blank canvas, but you can see exactly what you can potentially do. Okay, guys. So they have like a nice barbecue pit there. Nice seating area. So again, 16,000 standard square feet in this Capstone community. Okay, guys. As far as upgrade spent, so buyers here in this community, obviously it will vary between each buyer, but they were spending between 10 to 20% of the purchase price in upgrades. Okay, guys. So just keep that in mind. As far as average build out time, so right now how they release it in this community, in this collection, you know, everything is built from the ground up, so you could do any modifications you want. The build out time is about 8 to 9 months of build out time. Okay, guys. So they only release 2 lots at a time. So right now, again, they have lot 12 and lot 39 that are released right and are available right now. After those 2 are sold, they will then release another 2, okay? Now, keep in mind, they will not release, or they will not allow 2 of the same plan side by side or same color schemes or across, okay, guys? So it has to be different, all right? So stick around because I'm going to be touring, or I'm going to be driving around the neighborhood so you can see exactly first out how the neighborhood looks like, the community itself. Okay, I'll show you the sports court and all that good stuff. So stick around for that, okay, guys? Beautiful community. Are coming up on this really nice common area here. Just more space to walk, more trails, a nice fountain feature there. So here's a really nice common area here, guys. You got some families walking, you know, there's a person there just playing with her dog. That's really awesome. So you have shaded seating area all throughout the community, guys. You have this really nice playground here for the kids, some more seating area there, and you know, you have this really nice lake with that fountain feature there, guys. It really looks like, and it feels like you are in a resort. So, you know, you have those the games there with the cornhole games. Hey, what's up, doggy? Hey, you want to be in my video? Oh, that's awesome. But yeah, guys, so amazing community. Again, this is a Legato Communities. Okay, guys, so that was the home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, we just toured in the Capstone collection by Taylor Morrison here in the Legato Community, guys. So if you have any questions in regards to that floor plan, definitely feel free to reach out to me. I have my phone number and also my email down in the comment section below. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.